Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. You can see this beautiful picture is drawing. This is done by using Python Turtle Graphics. See the entire picture, just like a wheel of triangles, set of triangles drawn in circle manner. Okay, then I'm going to explain the code. Just see the code. The first line, import turtle as t. We are importing turtle as t. Then we are using t instead of turtle in all the other lines. T dot speed 0. The turtle speed we set as 0. T dot pen size 2. We set the pen size as 2. That is the thickness of these all lines we set as 2. You can change that number to increase or decrease the thickness of this line. Then you will get another style of this wheel. Okay. Then next, a for loop for I in range 24. That is a for loop in which I takes value from 0 to 23. That is 24 values. Then t dot right 15. That is used for shifting 15 degree right. First it shifts 15 degree right. Then it starts. Then then we are entering to another for loop in which we use the variable as colors instead of this I. Here we are using colors, and instead of this range 24, here we are using 7 colors in rainbow. These are 7 colors in rainbow. Okay. Then t dot color colors. By doing this like this, we are choosing these colors. First this line will choose the violet color, then in the next iteration it takes indigo color, in the next iteration it takes blue color, like that. Okay. Here t dot forward 120. If we are starting from here, t dot colors 120, then this one moves like this 120 distance, then turn left 120, that is turning left in this direction 120 degree, then moves 120 distance, then again turn left 120, then moves 124, that is like this, and it moves a little bit 4 units extra, then starts this indigo color line. Then the same procedure repeats. By that it completes the next triangle and it moves an extra distance of 4. Then starts the blue triangle. Then it repeats. Like that it takes green, yellow, orange, red. That is 7 triangles are drawn there. After completing the 7th triangle, it exits from the second for loop and goes to the first for loop. Then I value changes and in the next loop t dot right 15, again it shift 15 degree. That is, this turtle just shift 15 degree. Then again it starts the same procedure of this for loop. That is, 7 triangles are drawn again. Like that, this loop repeats for 24 times. By doing so, the entire design will complete. That's about the code. And the final line 15 t dot exit on click is used to exit this Python turtle graphic window. By clicking here, this window will get exited. Okay, I think you are clear about the code. If you have any doubts, you can just comment below this video. I will try to answer for your question. Anyway, if you are willing to get more such wonderful codes or wonderful designs or wonderful things about Python, you subscribe my channel. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.